Hey kids, today we've got our barn, a fence for the animals, some trees, a horse stable, some rocks, another tree, and a pond for the animals to drink from. Oh, who's this in the back of the tractor? It's a white horse. Okay, let's open up the stable so the horse can go have a rest. Horse stables are built for horses to rest and be comfortable. Don't forget to close the gate. Who's coming in the tractor? It's a sheep. Okay, let's pop the sheep in the barn so that they can have a rest. Who's in the back of the tractor? It's two roosters. Roosters are chickens. Roosters make a crowing noise when they find food to let the other chickens know. Who's in the back of the tractor? It's a goat. Goats like to eat from trees and sometimes will stand on their back legs to reach the leaves. Who's in the back of the tractor? It's a cow. This cow is a female cow because she has an udder. Oh, the tractor's arrived. Who's in the back? It's a donkey. Donkeys make a hee-haw noise to communicate with other donkeys about what food is available or how they are feeling. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, we've got a bird flying in. Who's this? It's a kingfisher bird. Nice landing. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's in the back? It's a lamb. A lamb is a baby sheep. And I bet they're looking for their mum. Hi, Mum. Okay, they can go back into the barn together. The tractor's here. Who's in the back? It's a llama. Llamas like to eat grass, flowering plants, and even trees. The tractor's here. Who's in the back? It's a farm dog. Oh, and it looks like they're on the mission to look after the sheep. The tractor's here. Who's this? It's a baby llama. Oh, hi, Mum. Whoops. Okay, let's get them together and pop them under the shade of the tree at the back. The tractor's here. Who's this? It's an alpaca. Okay, let's pop them next to the pond. Oh, the tractor's here. Oh, what's this? It's some hay and two baby alpacas. The alpacas have brought some food for their mum. Aw, okay, let's put the babies with their mum so that they can eat the hay together. Who's this flying in? Ooh, it's a pelican. Nice landing. Who's this in the back of the tractor? It's a pig. Okay, let's pop the pig here. Oh, I think they're thirsty. Let's pop them here. Oh, what's this? Looks like the tractor's brought some mud in for the pig. Okay, let's pop the mud on the ground for the pig. Pigs love rolling around in mud as it keeps them cool. Pigs have sweat glands. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's in the back? It's a baby donkey. Oh, I think they're looking for their mum. Oh, hi, Mum. Oh, at least they're together now. Oh, they're looking a little bit hungry. Should we go get them some food? Oh, the tractor's here. Looks like we've got some food for the donkeys. Donkeys like to eat grass, so let's give them this grass to eat. Oh, yum! Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's this in the back? It's a baby white horse. Okay, let's pop them in the horse stable with their mum. Baby horses are also known as foals. Foals can stand only 2 hours after birth. Don't forget to close the gate. All the tractors here. Who's in the back? It's another farm dog, and it looks like they've seen the pond. Oh, splash! Looks like they're having a great time. And now into the mud with the pig. I bet they're nice and dirty. Oh, who's this on the roof of the barn? It's a possum. They've come to visit the farm. Who's in the back of the tractor? It's a baby goat. Oh, I bet they're looking for their mum. Oh, hi mum. Oh, they look super excited to see her. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's this? It's a cow. The cow looks a little bit hungry, so let's pop it in here with the donkeys so it can eat some of the grass. Thanks for sharing, donkeys. Don't forget to close the gate. Who's this that's come in? It's a turtle. It looks like they want to play in the water. Splash! Nice entrance, turtle. The tractor's here. Oh, we've got a few animals. It's a sleepy rabbit and 2 rabbits sitting. Okay, boing, 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 boing. Rabbits can jump up to 1 meter high. Let's give them some carrot and lettuce to eat. The tractor's here. Who's in the back? It's a baby pig, and it looks like they've seen the mud. Oh, they're rolling around as well. It looks like they're having a great time. Who's this flying in? It's a bird. It's a lorikeet. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's this? It's a brown horse. Oh, they look thirsty. Let's pop them next to the pond so they can get a drink. Oh, it's a green frog. Hi. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's in the back? It's an emu. Okay, let's pop the emu next to the pond. Oh, it's the baby emu, and they've bought some flowers for them to eat. Nice job, baby emu. Okay, let's set up a chicken coop for the next visitors to the farm. Oh, who's this? It's a hen and some eggs. Okay, let's pop them in the chicken coop where they can relax and be comfortable. We've got some more visitors. It's 2 baby chicks. Chicks is another word for baby chickens. Okay, let's put them inside the coop so they can be warm. Thanks for watching, kids. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!